Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. It's always a pleasure being your host. Tonight, we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of individual stocks, hot stocks, quantum, AI, whatever it may be, tonight is for the midnight cowboys. Those who work during the day, have lives during the day, can't research, can't do much trading, but still want to take advantage of the stock market and make money in their portfolio. So this evening, I've got one of the best automated trading systems. So if you want something to tell you exactly what to buy, and when to sell, and be on the right side of the market, let's go ahead and jump in the VectorVest system so that way we can make profits even easier in 2026. All right, we're in the VectorVest software. Right now, I'm looking at the trading system viewer, listing all of our trading systems that we currently have in the VectorVest software. Now, the Nitro trading system, it was originally derived from our QQQ ETF trading system. However, two customers of ours enhanced that trading system into the Ritzma and Ellis Nets Turbo trading system, which in turn, one of those individuals enhanced that trading system a little bit further, which is known as Ritzma's Nets Nitro. Now I'm a straight shooter. I'm going to try to explain it the best I can on exactly what is Ritzma Nets Nitro. Now this paragraph here, unless you're very inclined with the VectorVest indicators, can be difficult to understand. So that being said, let's just start off and break it down sentence by sentence. First of all, this trading system buys the QQQ in a confirm down situation, right? Think about that. QQQ, NASDAQ 100, confirmed down. That is our preliminary market timing signal, which captures big moves in the market. Next part, 1 day ago, the 10-day moving average of RT was below the 15-day moving average of RT. And today, the 10 days above it. So we're looking for a crossover when it comes to a moving average of our RT. RT is a proprietary indicator looking at the direction of price and the momentum of that direction. And on top of that, RT, that momentum has to close below 1.12 with no stop loss. Simply put, it's trying to buy calculated bottoms or pivots in the QQQs in a confirmed down situation. Now, when a confirmed up signal is given, it closes the QQQ, right? So we bought that QQQ potentially if that criteria is met. So now it's going to close that QQQ position, which was open in a confirmed down situation. Now that we're entering a confirmed up, the market's got its act together. The bulls are now in charge. The system will then buy the TQQQ. Think about it, triple leverage. So in a confirmed down, we're just trying to do a calculated dip buy, right? We're not going to leverage that, just a correlation of 1 there. However, on a confirmed up signal, we're going to do a correlation of 1 to 3. 3 times leverage ETF. Make sure you know what that is before you get into the system. Ultimately, we're feeling bullish, right? Provided that the RT is less than or equal to 1.4, it will wait until it falls back below that level to enter, right? We don't want to buy at a high. We want to buy at a calculated level here, put us on the right side of the market in that confirmed up position. It then places a 50% gain or 5% stop loss off the TQQ purchase price, right? So that's going to be your gain loss in that scenario. Now the TQQ will be closed the day following a confirmed down situation. So all the positions are the next day. That's exactly why the system will give you the alert and you have ample time to make the trade in your broker. As I scroll down, we can see the performance of this trading system here. Nice lower left, upper right. Looking at the performance, 3-month, 1.82%, 6-month, 32%, year-to-date, 44%, 3-year, 265%. Now, the all-time here, over 8,000%, in which the system was enacted in 2015, giving us 10 years of price performance. All right, now that the difficult part is out of the way, and if you didn't understand that last paragraph that I went over, please go back and rewind it. Investing, trading, it's a lot like life. What you put into it is typically what you're going to get out of it. Now, anything that I see on the internet, when the results are too good, Usually they are, right? For a reason. But look at these back test results here. Now, I tested it from the beginning of this year. That is just a brand new trading system using the same rules, but starting at the first trading day this year. I'm not going off market timing. I'm not going off the ideal situation to start this system. No. But even so, look at this. Percent of winners, 50% winners here. Gain loss, 45% so far this year. And this right here is one of the reasons why I wanted to show you this system. Now, the total commissions here, I put as $10, right? So if you think about that, 10 to buy in, 10 to buy out, 20 bucks round trip. So that's 4 trades all year long with a return of over 40%. That is phenomenal. And look at the max drawdown, under 20% here. So in addition to that, I wanted to run another back test because we saw the results over the last 10 years. I wanted to see how it would have performed if I started it at the beginning of a year. Again, the first trading day, not an ideal time, anything like that. Just a random first day of the year and how the system would have done until now. Phenomenal results once again here. We've got over 50% winners. The gain loss, 343%. ARR, that's what you would have likely returned each year, right? Which is just shy of 70% a year. And look at the commissions, right? Think about that 20 bucks round trip. 520 bucks all together over the last 5 years. And again, most people these days, they're not paying commissions. The reason why I put these commissions here is because that's how much work is going into the trading system, right? So if you ever develop a trading system here, because you can create your own or you can use one of our existing ones. So if you've got the software today, I'm going to show you how you can create this system, paper trade it, test it, gain some confidence, and I'll let you make that decision yourself. And if you don't have access to VectorVest software, if you're an investor trying to find yourself on the right side of the market in 2026, well, there's no better time than take advantage of VectorVest holiday sale. 30 days access, just 99 cents. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT and act fast as this offer ends December 29th. Once you log into the VectorVest software, you'll see some tabs located across the top. Simply select on the Viewers tab. Over on the left, make sure the Trading System Viewer has been selected. And over on the right, you'll see Rietsma's Nitro. Simply right-click on the trading system and simply click on Paper Trade in Portfolios. We're going to start with an empty portfolio so we can follow this system from scratch. For the name, I'm just going to add Ryan. For the initial investment, you can change this to whatever you're liking. I'll say $5,000. And as far as the commissions, typically these days, most people don't pay any. So I'm going to change this to none. And now whether you're using margin or interest, that is up to you and your investment account. But once this is filled out, I'll simply select OK at the bottom. And then I'll click on Open Portfolio Now. Here is an empty portfolio. Over on the right, the genius will let us know when trades need to be placed. The trading window is displayed here, so any purchases, any sell orders will be displayed here. Now, this is one of the best parts and makes the system even easier. Over on the top right corner, I'm going to select Edit. From here, in this top right corner, I will select the alert settings. This menu will come up. I'll simply click on an empty space here, click on Edit, and this will allow me to either get an email or text message letting me know when an order is being placed within the rules of this system. Not only is this trading system giving us a phenomenal performance over the last decade, it makes it very easy to follow along with very few trades, as we've noticed while backtesting the system. And on top of that, the genius gives us the ability to send the alerts just to our email or our text message, making life as an investor so much easier. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, hit the like button. If you're new and stuck to the end, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.